The hidden story behind the S-81 submarine. NATO and U.S. secret support for sea defense technology. The development of the S-81 submarine is a concrete example of how NATO, particularly the United States, plays a role in encouraging innovation and development of advanced sea defense technology. The NATO alliance is a platform for its member states to collaborate in the development of leading-edge military technology to strengthen mutual security and defense. The United States, as one of NATO's key members and a leader in the global defense industry, is often instrumental in supporting innovations such as the S-81 class submarine. Technical support, joint development, and exchange of information and technology between the United States and other NATO countries have contributed to progress in the submarine industry. The S-81 submarines, which incorporate advanced technologies in stealth, navigation and advanced weapon systems, are the result of close collaboration and support between NATO countries, including the United States. Innovations such as those in the S-81 submarine are part of a joint effort to strengthen sea defense capabilities and maintain global security stability. In this context, the S-81 submarine is not just a technological achievement of the Spanish Navy, but also a tangible representation of how cooperation and support between NATO members, including the important role played by the United States, influences the development of innovations in the maritime defense industry. The continuity of such collaboration continues to drive the creation of advanced technological solutions to future maritime security challenges. With the arrival of the S-81 submarine as a tangible proof of cooperation between NATO members led by the United States, there is an opportunity to continue to explore the potential of advanced technology to maintain global security and stability. This spirit of collaboration is the foundation for future innovative solutions, not only in submarine development, but also in other defense fields. The S-81 submarine is not just a technological achievement, but a symbol of strong cooperation in facing increasingly complex security challenges in the vast Blue Sea.